Hey, how are you? This is Joseph, and I will teach you on how to create the voice AI chat agents and how to implement them into the chatbot. And then I will also show you how to install that and how to basically set it up from scratch. So the first step is to we'll go to ChatGPT. There's this specific chatbot within the ChatGPT which we will use to create the prompt specifically for high level and for GHL. So let's get started. So the first step is we give information like basically what we are creating the bot for, and like what business we have. So we provide like what are you selling. So basically you answer every question it's asking in description, like, or you can provide your website link or your offer link if you have any, and ask the chat to create it for you. It depends how you want to do that. So I will just put it in the chat. uh, Please visit this website. Please visit our website to understand our marketing services and what we offer. And then put in your website link, which is this one, and that's it. And now we wait for the response. uh ChatGPT is kind of slow, but let's see. Because the first step is to create the GHL prompts, and the bot will behave how you create the prompts. So you need to spend some time on this. So you are probably creating right now. It says like, I was able to access that link directly. You can either paste a show summary for your summary here or tell me the main marketing services. Once I know all that you provide, so it cannot go into the website. So what we do is basically we provide this information manually. Let's see. So I will go onto the website, go to our service page on what kind of services we provide. Let's see. Okay, so we provide these kind of services. So I will copy this and I will go to this chat and I will paste it if it's copied. Yes. So these are the services we provide. I copy paste it into the bot to let them know like these are the services we provide. Step to understanding the buyer. So it says like he wants us to understand like what our buyer is, right? Like what is our ideal client, stuff like that. I will type it one more time. Answer can you answer these questions for me? This one, or business, which is, I will type it one more time. Uh, let's see if this time it can read the link, because it sometimes it does read the link automatically. Yeah, it cannot open the page again. So I guess we need to go to this one. There's this one. There's another chatbot which you can use to create your ideal avatar. So I will do is like I will create the ideal avatar from this one based on our business. and then I will use this avatar onto the other chatbot prompt and mix those up. So that's another thing. That's another way how to do that. It depends how you want to do it. So let's see. Please create. Let's create an avatar based on our business, which is. So I will copy one more time our business website and then say this. Okay, so this is the avatar. It's already created. Gender, any gender. Pa, 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 pa. So it says everything about our real avatar. Okay, so what we do is I will copy this information, which it pulled up from the information I provided, and I will copy this, paste it over there. So this bot now knows what our ideal avatar is for our clients, so it can base the prompt based on that. So it can create like customized prompt. Let's see. Define your brand. Chapter should sound like no generic market. There's a personality and tone. What tone and personality would you like? The tone should be funny. The tone should be funny, but professional. Uh, Friendly and funny, but professional. Let's see. What do people love about your brand? Now, what you can say, we provide excellent results. Weekly calls with our clients. Responsive to our clients and easy to communicate. Perfect. Are there if there are like any catchphrases for your business, you can use that, or like a motto and stuff. For us, we don't have any catchphrase, so I would say no catchphrase. And then that's it. We will providing some basic information about our business. Uh, let's go. Building the chat video burn. So it's asking like where they can book the call from. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use our planner link. Once I find it, let me see. Okay, so this is the link I want to use, and I will let the chat know. This is the link you can use to book free demo calls. Once I provided the link, okay, so this is what we have. So we got some prompts. Let's see. So it's generating the full-on prompts. Okay, so I have the basic prompts over here. So this step one is done. We have created the prompt. So now we go to our wildcard control section. Can you? Yes. So we have the first step done. So we have the prompts. Now you need to go to your sub account, your GHL sub account. Now you need to go to Voice AI, and then you can either create a new agent, or if you already have agents, you can edit those one. But for this one, I will create a new agent. I will create a custom agent. Click continue. Okay, then name your agent. I will just name it as DMB support agent V2. Enter your business name, discover my business. Language, you can choose all the languages, like different languages you want to choose. I would go with English. Then you can choose different voice models from here. There are like tons of voice models available. Whatever suits your brand or like your voice. I will use this one as an example, and then click save voice. Your business time zone. We are in New York, so we will use New York time zone. Inbound calls. So you can choose your greetings. You can let them know like whatever your greeting is, like, hi, thank you for calling Discover My Business. How can I help you today? Or if you want to make it funny, if you want to make your brand voice, you can change that information over here. I will keep it as it is. Hey, you have reached Discover My Business. How can I help you today? It's pretty generic, basic. If we want to change it later, we can change it later. Click on next, and then select knowledge base. You can create new knowledge base if you does not have that, but I've already created the knowledge base for our system. So I would simply use general knowledge base, discover my business. Knowledge base is like the brain of your bot. So if you want to train your bot perfectly based on your business, you need to create a knowledge base specifically for your business. So that's how you do it. If you want to create a new one, simply create new, and it will redirect you to the knowledge base page, and where you can add your business website, FAQs, upload the PDF version. If you have about your business, you can upload that. So yeah, that's how you create a knowledge base. Then you will need to connect that knowledge base to your bot. I've already done that. Details to collect from the contact. You can do that, but if you have a chatbot which is already gonna collect those information, you can do that as well. There are like 2-3 ways to do that. I will have that embedded into the chat widget that will grab the name and phone number and email. So I will not do that over here. But if you do not have that embedded into the chat widget, you can select it from here. So that's how it is. If you want to trigger a specific workflow, you can do that. I will do that later on when I will create a workflow, but right now I will keep it as it is. And the notification, I will simply go with specific user. I will select myself, uh, and VA we have. So that's it. Click on next. Sorry about that. So you can select the phone number over here, and then if you want to answer 24/7, we can do that as well. You can select the phone number where the inbound calls go. Right now, I will leave it empty because we have an answering service, but we are going to replace that in the future. So we simply click on save. Your bot is voice agent is ready. So you go back to the list, DMB support agent v2, and then you click on edit, and then you go to agent goals. It remains the same, everything. You will need to edit that information. Switch to advanced mode. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Switch to advanced mode. That's where you can edit your prompts and stuff. So that's where the step one comes in. You need to enter your information over here. So what I need to do is go over here, create this one, Discover Business, Sales Assistant. I will simply copy paste all the prompts. So, and pop it till here, because we do these FAQs and these documents, we already have that in our knowledge base, so you don't need to do this again in prompts. That will just confuse your bot. So emojis not allowed. We need to remove emojis. Where are emojis? Do, 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 do. So yeah, make sure there are like no emojis in your prompts. Okay, so I've removed emojis. Make sure your make some changes over here that needs to be done. Your small business AI sales agent. Okay, assistant. Your job is to make sure you are properly formatting this for your business. Okay. Uh, Okay, so that's now the bot. We have given the prompts, instructions, and everything. It's good to go, right? Let me see if there's anything else. Okay, yeah. Click on. Make sure you click on save. Okay, so it's updated. Let's see. So now we test our bot. So how you can test our bot is start the web call. Start web call. Hello. Okay, so that's how you test your web call. I'm not sure like why I'm not able to hear it. I guess it's just a glitch. I will check it out. So that's how you test it. Your prompts are ready. Everything is good to go. If you want to make any changes, you can make your changes over here. And then you simply click over there. So that's everything is ready. Phone availability. You can change phone numbers from here and all that stuff. So once it's ready, what you need to do is go back to your home screen, go to sites, and then you need to go to this option on your sub account. Then this option will pop up. You need to go to chat widget. Okay, so chat widget, create new chat widget. Make sure you are doing this voice AI because you have set up voice AI. So if you have set up conversation AI, you will go for like all-in-one chat, SMS, or live chat. But for voice chat agent, you need to select this one. If it's not, if you cannot see that in your sub account, you need to go to settings. There's an option called labs. You need to switch to agency view, then go to settings, then labs, and activate this option from there. If you can, if you for some reason if you can't see that, so click on voice AI chat. It will create a chat widget for you, and you can set up the chat widget for your business. I will just name it as DMB support. Support. Okay, so I'll rename this. Click save. So you can you can customize your style for your chat widget from here, like what you want. Uh, okay, so this is it. What kind of icon you want to use? Customize your colors based on your brand designs. I will simply go with black right now, and that's it. Hair color. Let's go to everything black. Button color black. Avatar border color black. Okay. Okay, so you can customize this based on your brand. That's it. The fonts, you can also change the fonts based on your uh, what fonts you have used on your website. I will change that later. Right now, I will just keep it as it is. Hey there, you can customize the message which you're seeing right now over here, like how you can see that. Uh, let's talk. Okay, that's it. Change the message. Custom greeting, welcome back. How can we help you today? Okay, click on save. So what you can do now is get this code, and if you want to customize more, you can do that. Title, talk to us. You can change it to let's talk. Enable contact form. You can enable contact form like I said in the step 2. Like I will embed that into the chat widget. That's how you can do that. You can add your name, phone number. If you want to add additional information, you can add that, but for us, name and phone number will be suffice. We can change your enter your name and email below, and and click on the let's talk button. Okay, enter your name and email below and click on let's talk button. That's it. Call us here. We will just change it to let's talk. uh, that's it. Messaging, you can change language from here. Agent, select voice AI agent. So that's where now agent, that's where you select your agent which you have just created. So the agent I created was DMB support agent. I will select that over here. uh, Name the agent, we will name her Lisette. Okay, that's it. Click save, and you can chat from here. How does it look like on iPad, on mobile phone, on desktop? So you can get an overview how it will look on your website and stuff. So if you can do that, you can change that. Here you can change your branding, that stuff, title and intro. Let's talk style, widget customization. You can also change the place where you want your widget to show. Usually it's in the right bottom corner, but if you want to change it, you can change it from here. It will show up here, middle of screen, depending on your preference really. You can do that. Alt text. So you can change the pictures. If you want to change pictures, you can do that. uh, okay, so that's how you do this. Click on save. How you can do that is get code and get this code and use this in your website or wherever you want to use that code. It's pretty simple. That's how you set it up. And yeah, that's it. And there's like workflow on the back end, which I will show you later, I guess. Thank you. Bye.